Did you know ducks can literally sleep with one eye open? This special ability is called unihemispheric slow wave sleep, where only half their brain goes to rest. This helps ducks stay alert to danger, especially when they sleep in groups. Interestingly, ducks in the middle of a flock sleep more soundly than those on the edge. It's nature's clever way of keeping ducks safe and well rested at the same time. How cool, right? Thanks for watching. Like for more amazing poultry facts.